So right here we're sitting at the A-frame at Oak Hills. It's a project that we built in Airville, Pennsylvania. And this is our A-frame lodge. So this is a 3-module modular home that we built at Zook Cabins. So this is built in the factory, it's shipped to the site, set up at 3 different boxes, some flip-up roofs, and then about a week or 2 worth of site work, and then you have a finished project. Hey, my name's Matt Meshi. I'm the VP of brand for Zook Cabins. I think a lot of the building products that's used in the industry today, especially in the US, it's made to look perfect kind of on day one, but it's fake, it's painted, it's kind of synthetic materials. And I think the beautiful thing about wood and natural wood is that it just kind of ages and gets better with time. So the goal would be to have it look beautiful, on day one, but it's only going to age gracefully and look better and better year after year. With us wanting to use a natural wood material, we got connected with Lunawood, and we were really impressed by kind of the durability of it. But then ultimately it has to look beautiful as well, because if it doesn't look beautiful, nobody's going to want it on their house. So I think it's that marriage of a beautiful, durable product that really is kind of what connected with us and with our clients.
Zook Cabins is a great partner for Lunawood, as we share a lot of the same values with sustainability and natural materials. Lunawood is a ThermoWood manufacturer that's been around for 25 years now. We make thermally modified wood from different species. On this specific property, we have both pine and spruce, and it's lovely to see how the material, as it's a natural material, how it ties this home to its nature surrounding it. I love how Zook Cabins has utilized the fact that you can use Lunawood both indoor and outdoor, and how that flows with the outdoor sauna, for example. You can use the same paneling inside and outside, and it withholds the different temperature and moisture changes that the sauna goes through when you heat it up and once it cools down.
It was hard to source a beautiful product that could withstand the high temperatures, the moisture, different climates. And Lunawood not only does that, but it also looks beautiful. It's nice and warm and radiant to the touch. It also smells really good when you're in there with the heat cranking up to 120. So I think for those reasons, we've been really impressed with Lunawood, especially on our saunas, which we've only launched a few months ago, but have gotten a great reception so far. As with any new product that we use, we kind of really want to have the confidence that it's going to perform well for our clients. And their team has been great, answering any questions, giving us samples, resources that we can also share with the client to kind of help share the vision with them. So we've loved working with their team. They've really been helpful, and they have a great product at the end of the day. We're not going to put a subpar product on one of our homes. Quality is really important to us. It's been a great fit, and we really appreciate kind of their history and their attention to detail, and their sustainability, again, is all things that are really important to us. Finding a company that kind of has similar values to us at Zook Cabins is what we strive for. And I think we found that fit with Lunawood, and it seems to have been a really good collaboration so far. I feel like we're just getting started, but hopefully it'll be a long lasting for years to come.